Good morning, students. So, last class we completed exercise 7.1. Now, we are discussing section formula. See, here first we will discuss about the node. The coordinates of the point P of x comma y, which divides the line segment joining the points A of x 1 y 1 and B of x 2 y 2 internally in the ratio m 1 is to m 2 are. P of x comma y is equal to m 1 x 2 plus m 2 x 1 divided by m 1 plus m 2 comma m 1 y 2 plus m 2 y 1 divided by m 1 plus m 2. This is known as section formula. So, remember this one, the section formula is for finding x and y value or the coordinates of P of x comma y is equal to m 1 x 2 plus m 2 x 1 divided by m 1 plus m 2 m 1 y 2 plus m 2 y 1 divided by m 1 plus m 2. This is section formula. Now, if the say here AB is a line segment, see I have drawn here, AB is a line segment, then here P is a point which divides in the ratio k is to 1, it is 1 which divides in the k is to 1 ratio. If the ratio which P divides AB is k is to 1, then the coordinates of the point P will be, therefore, P of x comma y is equal to kx2 plus x1 divided by k plus 1, ky2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1. Now, we will move to the special case here. So, here special case, the midpoint of a line, the midpoint of a line segment divides the line in the ratio 1 is to 1, then the coordinates of the midpoint P of the points A of x 1 comma y 1 and B of x 2 comma y 2 is very simple. It is a new formula. Therefore, P of x comma y is equal to x 1 plus x 2 divided by 2 comma y 1 plus y 2 divided by 2. So, this formula we will use when it is a midpoint, when P is a midpoint of the AB. If it divides in the ratio 1 is to 1, then we can use P of x comma y is equal to x 1 plus x 2 divided by 2, then y 1 plus y 2 divided by 2. Now, it is for the special case. Now, we will move to the exercise 7.2. Okay. So, will exercise 7.2. First problem is here, find the coordinates of the point, find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. See, very simple problem. See, what is asked? Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. So, here what is asked? P of x, y is asked. See, say it is one line segment, it is A, it is B. The coordinates of A are -1, 7, the coordinates of B are 4, -3. Then here is a P is a point. Here P is a point with its coordinates are x, y. It divides in the ratio what? 2:3. Say it is 2, it is 3. We know the formula, therefore P of x, y is equal to, what is the formula? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is the formula. Substitute the values, you will get the solution, which is equal to m1 value. Here in the ratio is given 2:3. So, m1 is to m2 means 2 is m. So, here ratio is what? 2:3. It is m1, it is m2. So, then these are, see, it is x1, y1, x2, y2. Substitute the values, you will get the solution. m1 value is what? 2 into x2 value is 4 plus m2 value 3, x1 value -1 whole divided by m1 plus m2. So, m1 plus m2 means 2 plus 3, comma m1 value is 2, y2 value is -3 plus m2 value is 3, y1 value is 7 whole divided by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2 means 2 plus 3, which is equal to, so in the bracket 2 4s are 8 plus here minus sign is there, 2 4 is 8 plus minus 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 3 divided by 2 plus 3 is 5 comma 2 3 is 6 minus 6 plus 7 3 is 21 divided by 5. Now, you will get 8 minus 3 is what? 5, 5 divided by 5 comma 21 minus 6, 15, 15 by 5, here 5 ones 1s, 5 ones 5 3s, which is equal to 1 comma 3. Therefore, P of x comma y is equal to 1 comma 3. Therefore, the points, these are the points. This is required solution. Now, we will move to the next problem. Problem number 2, second problem. Find the coordinates of the points. Find the coordinates of the points. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection. Here trisection of the line segment of the line segment 4 comma minus 1, 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3 and minus 2 comma minus 3. So, here trisection means it divides in 3 parts, 3 equal parts. So, how it is? Say it is line AB, the coordinates of A is 4 comma minus 1, then coordinates of B are minus 2 comma minus 3. So, it divides in 3 trisection. It is one point, it is another point. It is point P, say its point is Q. So, we do not know the values of these, name these as x1, y1, name these are x2, y2. So, here P is a point. Suppose if you consider P this point, it divides the AB in the ratio of what? Say it is 1, 1, 1. So, if you consider only P, P divides AB in the ratio, it is total length is 1, its total length is 1 plus 1, it is 2. So, what will get? 1:2 ratio, 1:2 ratio. So, therefore, let P of x1 y1 and Q of x2 be x2 y2, these are the points of the trisection. So, the condition is what? That is trisection means what? All equal parts. Here AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB or BQ. Therefore, P divides AB internally in the ratio what? In what ratio? In the ratio 1 is to 2 ratio, because here P, this P divides here 1 plus 1 2, P divides AB in the ratio of 1 is to 2. Okay. Now we will find the value of P of x1 y1. Now P of we will find the value of P of x1 y1. Now consider the points here. Say it is M1, it is M2. So P of x, according to formula, P of x comma y is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2 comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. So now substituting the values, which is equal to, we will get the P value. Which is equal to, here M1 value is what? 1, x2 value, here it is A coordinates x1 y1, it is x2 y2, x2 value is what here? Minus 2 plus M2 value 2 in the bracket, x1 value 4 divided by M1 plus M2, M1 value is 1 plus 2 comma, here M1 again 1, y2 value minus 3 plus M2 value 2, y1 value minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2, which is equal to 2 ones are 2, minus 2 plus 2 fours are 8 divided by 3 comma minus 3 minus 2 divided by 3, which is equal to, you will get 6 by 3 comma minus 5 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 twos are, which is equal to 2 comma minus 5 by 3. This is what P coordinates. So therefore P of x y and y 1. This is, now we want the coordinates of Q. Therefore Q divides AB from the figure. See the figure, Q divides AB in what ratio? In the ratio of 2:1, AB in the ratio of 2:1. Therefore, what is the formula? Therefore, Q of x2 comma, say it is x comma y formula, same formula, M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2 comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2, which is equal to m1. m1 value is what? It is m1 m2. m1 value 2, x2 value. So, take the coordinates of a and b. Here a coordinates are 4 comma minus 1. Okay, say I will write here a coordinates are 4 comma minus 1, b and b coordinates are minus 2 comma minus 3, minus 2 comma minus 3. It is x1 y1 x2 y2. x2 value is what? Minus 2 here, minus 2 plus m2 value, that is 1 in the bracket, x1 value 4 divided by 2 plus 1, comma m1 value 2, y2 value minus 3 plus m2 value 1, y1 value minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, which is equal to 2 2 is 4 minus 4 plus 4 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3, comma 2 3 is 6 minus 1 divided by 3, which is equal to minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled 0. So, you will get 0 comma minus 7 by 3. These are the coordinates of what? Therefore, q of x2 comma y2, which is required solution. Now, third problem is similar. By referring the textbook, you can solve easily. Now, fourth problem, question number 4. Fourth problem, the question is, find the ratio find the ratio in which line segment joining the points minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. Now, here ratio is given? No. If ratio is not given, we can take it divides in the ratio of k is to 1. So, we can write let the ratio, write the statement, let the ratio in which line segment joining minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6 b k is to 1. In what ratio? K is to 1. Therefore, we have to find the value of k here. So, what we will get? Here point is given, that is, therefore, we know the formula. I will write the formula. P of x comma y is equal to k x 2 plus x 1 divided by k plus 1, it is formula. Then k y 2 plus y 1 divided by k plus 1. So, here what is the ratio is given? P of x comma y means what here? X value is minus 1 comma 6, that is P of minus 1 comma 6 here given it is, which is divided by P value is given. So, consider only one. If you consider x value, see, if you consider this x value, then consider this one is equal to this one. If you consider y value, this one is equal to this one. You can take any one. So, I will take x value. Therefore, x is equal to k x 2 plus x 1 divided by k plus 1. So, x value is what? Here it is x minus 1 is equal to k value we do not know. X 2 value is what? So, here in the diagram, in the figure, in the question it is given, it is x 1 y 1, it is x 2 y 2. X 2 value k, x 2 value is 6 plus x 1 value is minus 3 divided by k plus 1. Now, we will move to the next step. So, multiply this term and this term, k into minus 1 minus k plus 1 into minus 1 is equal to k into 6, 6k plus minus 3. Now, k one side, make the k terms one side, minus k plus 6k comes here, it becomes minus 6k is equal to minus 3 minus 1 comes here, it becomes plus 1, minus 7k is equal to minus 2. So, minus minus get cancels. Therefore, k is equal to 2 by 7. K value is 2 by 7. Therefore, it is k value. K is equal to 2 by 7. Therefore, the required ratio is what? Therefore, required ratio is 2 by 7 is nothing but what? 2 is to 7. Remember, m divided by n is nothing but m is to n, both meanings are same. So, 2 by 7 is nothing but 2 is to 7.